So the rear quarter glass had gotten busted out in my 2014 Camaro SS Convertible. I'm going to show you how to fix it. You can see the glass right there. Got to get that out, and you'll see how I did it. All these steps should be the same for any 5th gen SS, RS, and Z01. If you don't want to scare yourself like I did, I would scrape all the glass out of that slit where the glass sits, but you'll see me do it later in the video. So this is a window all the way in the down position, and I just got all the glass out. It's at the bottom. You could vacuum it out or leave it, but I'm gonna just leave it. Now I'm gonna take this new glass and try to get it up in there. If you get it used, you'll see that it's worn a little bit. I'm trying to line it up in there. So I just pried this top piece off, and I'm about to get this weather strip out the way. There's a 10mm bolt that you can reach when the window is in the all the way up position. So I'm gonna loosen that, and that'll probably let me get the glass in there. Looks good enough to me. I'm gonna try and tighten those bolts now. Not too tight though, because you don't want to pop this. Alright, so it is on there crooked. There's a gap all through there. So I guess. Do not drop this or you will never see it again.